my first stop, or our first stop, is here in Jugan, in this very quaint and beautiful reconstructed house located in Buena Vista Homes in Jugan, Consolacion. The owner mentioned that when this unit was turned over, it was just a very normal box type bungalow house until they turned it into a 2-floor townhouse. We are here at the Citadel Estates in Liloan, and nothing yet has been done ever since the COVID pandemic was announced. Hopefully in 2 years, it will be much better. Estimated turnover in Citadel Estate is in 2022. So Casitas by Cogon Plains is a development by MLD. It is a development with row houses that costs less than 500,000 pesos. Very affordable. Few units left. And it is our third stop. Here at Wellington Greens, they are selling lots only. It is located in Compostela, and we are here right now for our fourth stop. Before going home, we've decided to stop by Titay's since 1907. What did you buy? What did you buy? What you buy?
Here, Skilios, some torta,